Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get admin commands in Dress to Impress Roblox. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure you are in a normal server, not a free play server. There are multiple ways to get admin commands in Dress to Impress. The first method is by being a well-known YouTuber. If you have a large subscriber base, you can reach out to the game's owner and request admin commands for content creation. While the exact number of subscribers needed is unclear, having a strong following increases your chances. The second method is by being friends with an admin. If you know someone with admin permissions, they can grant you access. Alternatively, if you have access to an admin account, you can log in and use the commands directly. Once you have admin permissions, simply open the chat, enter the desired admin command, and execute it. This will allow you to use special features within the game. So that's basically how you can get admin commands in Dress to Impress Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.